Hello again, I'm in Olivo, 21 at Coldstone Street, one of my restaurants in Belgravia, and I'm here to review the new one of the month. As you know, I do it every month, and this time we got a nice Sardinian baby here. It's fantastic, and it's actually my wife's favorite red, which is pretty difficult to please. And this one is called Herculis. As you know what Herculis is, it's quite robust. And it's made by this Tenuta Asinara from North Sardinia. Asinara means donkey, asino. In fact, it's got this engraved of the donkey there. This one I think is fabulous. It's a blend of Cabernet Sauvignon, Cabernet Franc, and Merlot. And it has the most beautiful nose, and to be honest to you, it tastes and smells like a Syrah. In fact, this one is a bit spicy to say. It's not that everybody's taste, but if you like Syrah, that kind of spiciness in the wine, this is perfect. And it's now on sale in the shop for £24 a bottle, and again you get 10% discount on a case of 6. And the bottle in the restaurant is £41. It's a little bit more than usual, but this one is a very particularly very good wine. So I would say it's a cross between a Bordeaux and Burgundy and a Rhone. It's more close to the Rhone area as the taste and the flavor. It's quite robust, and it's spectacular with everything you want to eat, especially with pizza actually. But with that, I hope we gave you enough information for this lovely wine for you to try. Please, like to get some comments on this. Thank you very much. Cheers. How's that?